time. I'm painting my house. I got some wine. Let me show y'all what I'm up to. So, as you can see, this is the color I began with, which is like a metallic color, but I'm just went and got a whole bunch of new paints today, like a whole pack. I'm so excited. And I got some actual gray, because that's what I was going for. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do like a dark gray or light gray. One of these two grays I might do, and then change that, because it's like the metallic is so light, you can kind of see the brush strokes, and I don't like that. The front looks good. Never seen a house this color, but yeah. Let's get into it. Y'all, it's like 2 a.m. I try to go to sleep, but I'm back to paint my house. Let's get into it. So now I'm about to go in and do the roof and the trim around the window, or what I can get done tonight at 2 a.m. And let's go. Alright, so welcome back to another little mini episode of painting my mini house. Let's get into what I've done today and what I'm about to do now. Okay, so I finished painting the outside. As you see, my paint job is not perfect, but I love how the colors came out. And then you open it up, and I am starting. I didn't know which room to start with first, so I'm starting with, this is going to be my like living room / TV room. So I'm gonna like put a TV here, a sofa here, and then this is going to be the dining room. I've already painted it. You probably can't tell because the color I used was this antique white, but I want it to be like a cream color. Between these two rooms is going to be the bathroom or the kitchen. I don't know which placement I'm going to do it yet. And then bedroom, office, you know, the whole, I might put a shelf here to add like, you know, a third room, or, you know, like a third spacing. And that is that. So let me show what I'm doing next. As I mentioned, I painted the dining room, and now I'm about to put down some wooden floor that I cut out of popsicle sticks. These are the sticks I'm using, and I just cut it to make it fit. I wasn't sure if I want to go like the long way across, but my sister said I should go with this way, which I think so too. So I'm just gonna put them in there, placed up like that, like a wooden floor. I am gonna paint it and glue it down. So that's that, y'all. We about to do the floor for our dining room, and then work on what type of furniture is gonna be in there. I want to show y'all my little birdhouse that I painted almost a year ago now. I painted that flower on there, but that one's not so great. But yeah, I like doing DIY projects. So I'm in my content creator arts and craft room. I am not done putting it all together, but this is as clean as I've gotten it in a long time. I have some things to hang on the wall. I did paint it purple, which is one of my favorite colors. Actually, it's my birthstone color. And like you can see, it's like junk, like totes all in the corner, but like that's art stuff and just all types of stuff. So my vanity was in that box there, but it's broke. The mirror is broke, even though I'm just not opening it after 2 years. But yeah, that's my content room. I put together this bench myself, this little sofa, and I put together the desk that I'm using for my mini house. So